I'm not gonna make it do Dude, that hurt my finger!
My boob's
We need
Take 2.
Nicole, I'm scared.
We have pillows.
We have pillows. So I fall on my head and goes through the wall.
What's that face?
Come on, why is this not working?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. You can do this.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on,
Back it out.
Okay.
You back it out.
Okay, I got to 3.
Right.
Then you gotta do it.
Okay. You gotta do it.
You were like, wait a minute.
Okay,
Nicole, okay.
Alright. Just eat the grape.
It looks like wrinkly old wiener.
How do you know what old wrinkly wiener looks like?
You just automatically guessed.
That's what it looks like. I'm not having sex with a Mama! Mom! Mom! What you doing? Pooping? So yeah? Alright, we'll ask you when we finish this process.
1, 2, 3.
It was you!
Did it taste gross? I was scared to taste. Your face. Does it taste bad?
Tastes like a grape.
You're pussy. No, it should taste good.
Now we're eating old wrinkly grapes. Fuck you! I knew you were gonna do that!
Nicole! Let's go. I don't want to get in trouble.
Let's have a war. How are you making these?
You wrong me, help me.
That's too low. We just gotta pick them up.
Where'd it go? You made like wine on the freaking wall.
Ow!
Oh my god.
I knew it. I knew it. Are you okay? Game up! Don't hit the wall.
There's like juice splattered all over the wall. Over here, it's like a monstrosity. And then we got some grape pieces on the wall and some juices and it's everywhere now. We're still going. We're still going. We're going to our championship. Did you pee? She peed herself. try dancing in this. Ready? Hey, Kim, come dance. I drooled all over it.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm trying to give you a sumo wrestle left hand. Oh my god!
Ding ding ding! Back to your corners. Sumo.
Get your corner!
In your corner.
What?
Okay, ding ding ding, go!
What? On the floor. What? I win. I'm actually sweating.
Nicole, you can get out. Come on. Woo! Woo!
Oh! That's fucking funny! I'm not laughing. I know how hard it is.
One more.
Fucking your ball!
Your pants up?
Woo! Oh, yeah.
Okay. No.
No!
Back to your corner.
Cheater! Oh my god. Oh goodness.
Alrighty. Ding ding ding. Go. Oh, cracked knuckle. There was a couch.
No! Okay, go. No.
Alrighty, ladies. You are done. She is on the ground. Her feet are up. Oh, wait. She coming back for more? Are you coming back for more, girl? Come on. Put it down.
1-1. Next player who's on the ground loses.
Ding, ding, ding. Go. You guys aren't even moving.
How do you want it?
How you want it? Huh?
You guys are loosening up now. You're liking this, huh? You like? You guys are loosening up there. You're not so tight anymore. I thought I heard something at the door.
Stop playing!
I wasn't playing. Don't throw her out the window. I have to pay for that. So, is this going to be like a tie? Are you pooping?
No.
You're squatting. Oh.
It's so hot and sticky.
This sounds kind of, first you're tight, then you're loose, now you're hot and sticky. I don't get it.
It doesn't work like that.
Where's she, face down or up?
Dang it.
Oh.
You don't push me up against the wall.
Oh my god.
Okay, the fight is over. Kiss and make up.
You're not gay, Kim. Oh my gosh.
Well, let me just explain something.
Get out! Get out of here!
Let me just explain something to you, ladies.
Get out, please.
You were tight. You were loose. But you were hot and sticky.
Yeah!
This is our supervision.
Yeah, this is what they do to supervision. Don't mess with them. Don't mess with them. This is what they do.
Come on.
I'm trying.
Okay, now slide. Let your feet up.
You should paint the bottom of it. I got goosies.
What?
I got wedgies.
Okay, now what?
Get up.
I can't. You guys get me out of here.
Come on, just try to get up.
Turn my penis off.
Do you give up?
I can get this far. Does this count?
No. You guys stand up like we did.
You guys didn't stand up. I rolled you.
No, you didn't. We stood up.
Yeah,
Didn't I roll you?
No.
after the fact. Alright, now get on your knees.
Really? And you aren't gay?
What do you think about that? Oh my god. Help!
Come on, Kim. Alright. First step down. Now get on your knees.
And you're the gay one? Or I'm the gay one? You're the gay one.
Fuck off.
Come on.
Look, she's on her knees, everyone. Nicole, go stand in front of her. Deep throat that shit. Go, Kim! Woo! How was your experience as a sumo wrestler?
Oh, baby. It was tight. It was hot.